Our customers work long hours, so it's very important that our amenities mirror their comforts from home, and TopBrewer is a key part of that. Hi, I'm Mira. I'm Head of Property Services at Argyll, and we are at number 1 Cornhill. The choice of TopBrewer has fitted really well into our overall design for the buildings, where we think of every last detail, from the design of our buildings to the quality of furniture to the coffee that they enjoy. Our customers spend long working hours in their office, so having TopBrewer and the choice of drinks that they can enjoy throughout the day is really important. Our customers enjoy how easy it is to use the TopBrewers, from the intuitive iPad screen to the variety of drinks that it provides. Our customers can customize these drinks to their liking, from changing the beans to using different milks in their favorite drink. My go-to drink is black Americano, but I definitely go for the dark roast and higher intensity. By offering a wide range of coffee on site, we eliminate the need for our customers to go out to get a great cup of coffee. We believe it's the little things that make the biggest difference. Across the portfolio, we have 18 scanner machines. We chose TopBrewer due to its sleek design and the clutter-free worktops that it allows us to have. Our customers really like the design of the machines. They love the screen and how easy it is to use, and they really enjoy the quality of the coffee. At Argyll, we always look at how we can decrease our environmental impact, and therefore it is very important for us to partner with suppliers that have the same vision. I would definitely recommend TopBrewer to other businesses, from the design stages to installation to the aftercare. It has been a great experience.